is the best Porsche wheel spacer size. It is usually recommended the distance between the wheel and the fender flush as a reference for the best size of the wheel spacers. For the choice of slip-on wheel spacers and bolt-on wheel spacers, if the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, we'll recommend slip-on wheel spacers. Simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts. Therefore, they are primarily made of vehicles that use wheel bolts rather than lug nuts. If you add high offset wheels or wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need bolt-on wheel spacers. Usually, bolt-on wheel spacers are available in larger size, 25mm up to 70mm or even more. BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 116mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD and CB conversion wheel adapters.
Precise hub-centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle wheel parts. In order to further optimize the hub-centric connections, BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with that multi-stage hub-centric lips. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers be the corresponding hub spacers. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. Use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels, and then tighten the extended wheel bolts with the right hook. And take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheel sits flush with the fenders after the installation. That's all for today's video. If you want to get it BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.